Tableau provides several ways to customize our map. This includes using map layers and providing different options for users to interact with our maps. First, we will look at map layers. We can access these options by clicking on Map in the menu area and selecting Map Layers. The Map Layers option includes checkboxes to turn on or off different map features and details. This includes features like coastlines, borders, roads, and more. Some of these layers can be better viewed by zooming into the map. We also have several map options we can use to adjust and interact with our map visualizations. These options appear in the top left corner of the map. They include options to zoom in and zoom out of a map. There are also several different selection tools and a tool to move the map around from left to right and up and down. Finally, there is an option to reset the map to the starting point and also an option to lock the map. We can also view more options by clicking on the map in the menu area and selecting Map Options. This will display a window with checkboxes to turn on or off different features of the map. This includes an option to display a scale in the bottom right corner of the map, along with another option to change the units for the display.